How to send audio or music on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send audio files or music on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, as you have to open WhatsApp app with your account. After you open WhatsApp, you will get this kind of interface. From here, from the chat section, you'll have to open any conversation. After you open any conversation, from there, at the bottom left, tap on plus icon. From there, tap on the option document. From here, tap on choose from files. And from there, you'll have to just select your audio or music file. After you select those, tap on the option open or send at the top right. And from here, simply tap on send icon at the bottom right. After you tap on that, you'll be able to send that audio file or music from your WhatsApp account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.